Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about flexibility, the one of the motor abilities. मोटर फिटनेस से हम लोग ऑलरेडी एंड्योरेंस, स्पीड, स्ट्रेंथ पढ़ चुके हैं. आज पढ़ेंगे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, डिफिनेशन, टाइप्स ऑफ एंड मेथड ऑफ इम्प्रूव फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. Flexibility is the ability to inhabit a wide range and aptitude of movements by an individual's joints. With greater flexibility, the individual can efficiently perform various motions, whether are complicated or ordinary. Flexibility reduces the amount of time required by an athlete to perform target moves, reduce fatigue and risks of injury, as well as increase strength, speed, and endurance. Flexibility is influenced by factors such as anatomical structure of a joint, how far the ligaments and muscles can be extended, proper warm-up, the right exercise, the age, gender, and physical strength of the individual, body temperature. नंबर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी क्या है? फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी और आफ्टर वार्म अप, हाउ फॉर द लिगामेंट एंड मसल्स और लिगामेंट हम लोग कितना दूर तक एक्सटेंड हो सकता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी can be divided into two types: passive flexibility then active flexibility. Passive flexibility is the ability to perform a range of movements with greater ease through external help. It enables the individual to assume and hold a position throughout her or him muscular power. For example, doing stretching with the help of a partner. It is influenced by a factor like the anatomical structure of joints and extension of the ligaments. नॉर्मली पासिव फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी क्या है? हम लोग खुद जो स्ट्रेचिंग करते हैं अपने आप, जैसे कि हाथ का स्ट्रेचिंग हो गया, हम लोग खुद हाथ का स्ट्रेचिंग करते हैं. हम लोग का इंटरनली जो फोर्स है, मसल्स पावर है, उसमें से जो एक्सरसाइज हम लोग करते हैं, जो स्ट्रेचिंग करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड पासिव. देन नेक्स्ट वन, एक्टिव फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. इन एक्टिव फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नो एक्सटर्नल हेल्प इज रिक्वायर्ड. द रेंज ऑफ मोशन इज परफॉर्म्ड यूजिंग द इंडिविजुअल्स ओन मस्कुलर फोर्स. It is lesser in force than passive flexibility. The two variations of active flexibility are static flexibility, then another was dynamic flexibility. Static flexibility. It is the ability to perform a movement with a large aptitude while remaining in a static position, that is sitting, standing, and laying. Examples including chest stretch, bicep stretch, shoulder stretch, and side bend. Then dynamic flexibility. It is the ability to perform a movement with large aptitude while the body is in motion, that is running, jumping, kicking, and etc. Examples including joint rotation, neck mobility, arm swing, etc. Dynamic flexibility states are recommended as warming up exercise. स्टैटिक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड डायनामिक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, दोनों में बीच में क्या होता है? स्टैटिक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी में हम लोग कुछ भी, जैसे कि चेस्ट स्ट्रेच, बाइसेप और स्ट्रेचिंग, शोल्डर स्ट्रेचिंग, साइड बेंड, और पार्टनर, हम लोगों का इंटरनल जो मसल्स पावर है उसका ज़रूरत नहीं है. पार्टनर स्ट्रेचिंग को हम लोग स्टैटिक. डायनामिक में क्या होता है? हम लोग विथ रनिंग, जैसे कि हम लोग किसको किक कर रहे हैं उसी हिसाब से स्ट्रेच करते हैं. मतलब जब तक पैर जहाँ तक जा रहा है मूवमेंट उसका, वहाँ तक हम लोग स्विंग कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि बॉलिंग में हम लोग बॉलिंग करने के लिए स्विंग करते हैं हाथ को जंपिंग करने के लिए, जितना तक हम लोग का स्ट्राइड लेंथ खुलता है। ये हो गया। जैसे कि हम लोग वार्म अप लोग यूट्यूब में भी देख सकते हो। वार्म अप में, फुटबॉल वार्म अप में जैसे कि हम लोग जंप करते हैं, हाथ स्विंग करते हैं, मतलब स्विंग में फ्लो में जो एक्सरसाइज किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डायनामिक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। Method of improving flexibility. There are 4 types of method are using to improve flexibility: ballistic method, static stretching method, dynamic stretching method, or appropriate muscular neuromuscular facilitation technique. It means PNF. First one is ballistic. In this method, the movements is performed with rhythmically swing in the maximum range that can be obtained. The involved joint is stretched with a swing, keeping the count in mind. At each count, the joint is stretched to the maximum limit and then flexed. To avoid overstretching the joint, the individual should warm up. Another one is stretching, static stretching method. In static stretching, the muscles is stretched to its maximum limit and then released gradually to return to its original position. The graduation, the during of stretching varies according to the requirement of the individual. For cooling down, 10 seconds can be applied, and for flexibility, stretched. 30 seconds will be survive. This method is considered between the server as there are fewer chances of getting injury. The another one is dynamic stretching method. Dynamic stretching method used active muscular movements that bring about stretching body not held in the end position. Takes soft tissues to their full length and then, after a brief pause of 3 to 5 seconds, the stretched muscles contract and the tendon and muscles exert a force in the length position. The movements should start at half speed respectively for a couple of time and be followed by full speed after that. So such technique can extend muscles, increase their range of movement and promote balance and coordination. The last one is appropriate neuromuscular facilitation technique, PNF. This technique of method is used by advanced sports person for gaining flexibility. PNF involves the use of muscle contraction before the stretch in an attempt to achieve maximum muscles relaxation. The following procedure is used for PNF technique. The move into the stretch position so that you may feel the stretch sensation. Your partner hold the limb in this stretch position. You then push again your partners by contracting the antagonist muscles for 6 to 10 seconds and then relax. During the contraction, your partner aims to resist any movements of the limb. Your partner then moves the limb future into the stretch until you feel the stretch sensation. Then again go back to number 2. Repeat the same procedure. Repeat the whole procedure for 3 to 4 times. Some guidelines for developing or improving flexibility. The first one is the development of flexibility should begin before puberty. It is more difficult for develop flexibility by adult. It is ideal of if flexibility exercise are improved during adolescence and even after that. Flexibility is most likely to be reduced if the exercise are not performed. To maintain it, the exercise for improving flexibility should be performed after a complete warm up. If proper warm up is not performed, there may be maximum changes for overstretching the muscles. There may be injury of the muscles, ligament or joints. Next one is exercise for the development for flexibility. Should be performed when the sports person is placed under the state of fatigue. The muscles cannot be stretched to their maximum limit. Dynamic flexibility depends on static flexibility. Dynamic flexibility is more beneficial than static flexibility in the field of game and sports. Exercise for the improvement of dynamic flexibility should be related to sports activity. For effective improvement of flexibility, sufficient number of repetitions should be performed. It is recommended that at least 10 to 15 repetitions of each exercise should be performed. Jerk movements should be avoided while doing the sports exercise for improving flexibility. If the exercises are performed with the help of a partner, the partner should have proper knowledge about the exercise of flexibility. After doing any exercise for improving flexibility, the exercise to relax the antagonistic muscles should also be performed. Thank you, student. If you have any doubt, you can ask me because only the points are written in this notes. Thank you.